Okay, today we are going to discuss about the biography of Ruby Bridges. Before I start the video, before I start the video, okay, sorry, next slide dulu. Nah, before I start the video, you need to know the differentiation between windows and mirrors. I mean, after you watch the video of Ruby Bridges, if the story of Ruby relate to yourself, relate to your own story, you choose mirror, But if the story of Ruby Bridges doesn't relate to your own story, you can choose window. Okay, is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we are going to listening to the music, And if you want to join to sing together with the singer, it's okay. You can see the song lyric on your group. I have sent it to the group. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go.
The year was 1960, and some white people didn't treat black people as equal. In some parts of the U.S., black people were kept separate from whites, viewed as less. They couldn't sit with whites on a bus or drink from the same fountains. They said, why us? It wasn't fair. If there was a school with white kids, then black kids couldn't go there. White people had set up this separation, and it was called segregation. It affected many, truly, including a girl from New Orleans named Ruby. Ruby Bridges was 6 years old when she did something brave and bold. Ruby lived by William France Elementary School. It was for white kids only. What would Ruby do? Now, the Supreme Court had already ruled that segregation was bad and should be given the boot. The Supreme Court had tried to change it. They said all schools have to be integrated. That means kids of every single color were allowed to go to school with each other. But that wasn't the end of segregation. Some schools still didn't allow integration. See, William France gave a hard test to black kids, and they couldn't attend if they didn't pass it. But Ruby passed it and gave the school no choice. The U.S. government used its voice and said Ruby had the right to go. She was only 6 and she became a hero. She was the first black child to attend an all-white elementary school without a friend.
Oh, Ruby, when will all this be over? When will everyone be treated the same? Oh, Ruby Bridges changed the course of history. I never knew a little girl could be so brave. Oh, Ruby, when will all this be over? When will everyone be treated the same? Oh, Ruby Bridges changed the course of history. I never knew a little girl could be so brave.
Ruby's first day, people were cruel. A mob of angry white people stood outside the school. They yelled mean things at Ruby Bridges. Most people would have given up, but Ruby didn't. The U.S. president sent guards to keep her safe from the crowd that was filled with hate. She had a brave, confident look on her face as she entered the school that day. When she got to class, guess what she found? All the white parents had pulled their kids out. They didn't want their kids in class with Ruby just because she was black. She was nice, but they saw her as an enemy. So it was only Ruby and Mrs. Henry, the teacher, who was very kind. It was just the two of them for a long time. She taught Ruby every subject for months. Slowly, white kids came back, not all at once. After going through the first grade, Ruby made it to the second. and it was integrated. Her class that year had black and white, all because Ruby never gave up her right. She had courage, determination to help overcome segregation. Today, some are still not treated equal, and Ruby continues to fight for those people. All it takes is compassion for others. Learn to treat people like your sisters and brothers.
When will all this be over? When will everyone be treated the same? All the bridges change because of history. I never knew a little girl could be so brave. Oh, Ruby, when will all this be over? When will everyone be treated the same? All the bridges change because of history. I never knew a little girl could be so brave. As brave as Ruby, as brave as Ruby.
Okay, good. Enough ya. Hello? What do you feel after listening to the music, watching the video about Ruby Bridges?
Terharu, Pak.
Terharu. And then what else?
Proud.
Sorry? Mau?
Proud.
Proud. Okay. And then how about the others? Safa, Andrian, Iko. What do you feel after watching the video and listening to the music? Hello? What do you feel? Syah, Salwa, Indah? Hello?
I'm applause her.
Sorry?
I'm proud of her.
Okay, you are proud of her. Okay, good. Okay. Anyone who want to sing the the song? Ada yang mau nyoba nyanyiin bagian rapnya? Mana sih tadi? Ah, ini dia. Ya, coba kita. Nah, di sini.
She became a hero. She was the first black child to attend an all-white elementary school without a friend.
Oh, Ruby, when will all this be over? When will everyone be treated the same? All the bridges change because of history. I never knew a little girl could be so brave.
Okay, yeah, I think it's enough. Yeah, then we move to the next slide. Okay. Now, write your opinion after you watching the video of Ruby Bridges. Yeah. Do you think the story of Ruby Bridges is a window, a mirror, or both of them? And then tell me also the reason why you choose the answer. Yeah. I mean, why is the reason why you choose a window, why you choose a mirror, or why you choose both of them? Okay, please type on your browser screen. Yeah. Okay. Type on your browser screen. In your opinion, the story of Ruby Bridges, it is a window, a mirror, or both of them?
Pak, kalau kita milih window tadi kenapa, Pak? Kalau kita milih window, Pak?
Window means the story of Ruby Bridges doesn't relate to your.
Oh, nggak terjadi pada kita ya, Pak ya?
Yeah, doesn't relate, nggak terjadi. You don't have any experience. Ya. Okay, thank you, Indah. Window, because I have never experienced ending like Ruby pages. Okay, thank you, Indah. How about the others? Yeah. There should be 33 answers on this slide. Okay. Thank you, Indah. Good. If you have type your answer, the answer should be announced in the slide, should be shown on this slide, yeah. Okay, Indah, yeah. Is there any problem to type the answer? Okay, Abzal, good. Thank you. Okay, Maul, thank you. Okay, good. You can also click the love symbol, yeah. Yeah, hello. How about the others? Yeah, type your answer. Dewi Kirana. Okay, good. Thank you. Ya, yang lain. Kok masa baru 4 nih? Ya dong. Abil belum. Terus siapa? Arofah, Fatimah Zahra, Fatwa, Farah Aulia, Aulia Rahma. Terus ada, ya masih banyak yang belum nih. Rajasa, thank you. Oke, thank you Rajasa. Ya, yang lain. Harusnya ada 34 jawaban nih. Ini baru 5. Oke, Lutfiansyah. Thank you, Lutfi. Good. Ya, yang lain. 3, 4, 5, 6. 28 lagi. Ya, type your answer on your browser screen and then post it. Ya. If you have click the post, ya, your answer will be shown on this slide. Ya, oke, Fania. Good, thank you. Ya. Ya, yang lain ya. April belum. Oke, thank you Iko. Afzal udah ya, Anan udah. Arofah, ya nak. Kalau ada kesulitan bilang nak. Kalau nggak bisa nulisnya gimana? Bilang. Shiva. Window because Ruby doesn't have friends because of her skin color. Oke. Thank you, Marsha. Oke, thank you. Arofa belum ya? Aulia, Dewi, Dewi udah ya? Sorry, Dewi udah. Elsa, Fahmi, Farah. Oke, April, good. Thank you. Fatimah Zahra, Fatwa, Intan, Kinara. Oke, thank you. Personal window, because I have never done segregation or anything even remotely similar to water based. Okay, thank you, Kinara. Good. Fahim. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, Hafiz. Okay, Meisa, Azam, Rifan, Ragil, Safa. Okay, good. Thank you, Safa. I never felt hated like Ruby Pages. Okay, thank you, Ragil. Salwa. Okay, thank you. Najwa, Neprit, Rajasa, Soraya. I'm in him ini siapa nih? Fahmi. Him di situ siapa? Kita nggak membicarakan sosok pria loh di sini. Ya. Her apa kali maksud kamu ya? Oke, Shiva, udah belum Shiva?
Udah, Pak.
Mana Shiva ya? Mana Shiva? Belum ada.
Ada, Pak, tuh di atas.
Mana Shiva? Oh iya, sorry. Oke, thank you. Window, because I never read anything like Ruby. Okay, thank you, Meisa, Faraulia. Okay, thank you, Farah, Joy. Okay, good. Soraya. Okay, thank you. Arofa. Okay, thank you, Arofa. Najwa. Okay, thank you. Intan, good. Wow, udah cukup banyak ya. All of you answer window ya. Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah ya. Each of you never be a victim of bullying in school. Oke. Atau kalian orang yang suka ngebulinya nih? Because it is an experience from the point where we are at the bottom and until we are at the top. Okay, thank you, Nefrit. Good. Because I've never been there. Okay, good. Thank you, Aulia Rahma. Okay, yeah. The story of Ruby Bridges, I think, yeah. And today, nowadays, yeah, the story of Ruby Bridges is still happening in some area, yeah, about apartheid and relate with racism. Okay, thank you, Zara. Good. Okay, then okay, thank you. We will move to the next slide. Okay, in this slide you can choose more than one option, yeah, for the question. Which of the following aspects below that you think it can make the conflicts between our people in Indonesia during today's activity? Okay, you can choose more than one option. Okay, go on. Option A is about gender, B, language or accent, and C, political party, D, race, religion, ideology, appearance, lifestyle, culture. Okay, yeah. Choose ya, ini belum menjawab nih, ya, silakan. Belum ada yang ngejawab. Ya, silakan dicek di browser kalian. Ya, silakan dijawab. You can choose more than one option. Okay, thank you Ananda. Ananda Maulana Yusuf, ya. Maul think that the political party and then race and then appearance and then lifestyle, ya. Okay, how about the others? Okay, thank you Afzal. Afzal choose A, gender. Belum dijawab semua ya? Gak apa-apa deh. Okay, Abril think that religion is the dangerous aspect, yeah, the most dangerous aspect that can make the conflicts. Dewi thinks about B is language, and then G is about appearance. Okay, Maulana Hafiz, C is apa tadi sih itu? Political party, race, religion, and lifestyle. Okay, paham ya ini? Paham. Political party, good. Naila, race and appearance. Okay, Kinara Basden. Okay, gender and then apa tadi B itu? Language, ya. And then political party, race, religion, apa tadi? Ideology, and culture. Okay, good. Okay, Marsha, choose your answer. You can choose more than one option, ya. Oke, Marsha, ya. Shiva, Salwa, belum milih. Oke, Shiva udah, Marsha udah. Salwa, Meisa, Aulia, Soraya belum, Arofa belum, Intan belum, Zahra, Fatima belum, Fatwa belum, Aul, Fania, Najwa. Ini Acung siapa nih? Pakai nama sendiri ya? Siapa ini? Halo? Halo?
Maaf Pak, itu saya Pak. Nggak bisa di HP saya Pak. Saya pakai Gmail kakak saya di laptopnya.
Nggak bisa di rename itu?
Nggak bisa Pak.
Oke, berarti antrian yang di bawah nggak ada ya, yang ini ya. Oke, good. Najwa belum, Aulia belum, Fatwa, ayo, nah. Soraya, Aulia lagi, Meisa. Oke. The most aspect ya, I mean, in your opinion, kita cek dulu deh sini. Okay. Yeah, most of you think that political party become the most dangerous aspect, yeah, that can make conflicts in Indonesia. Okay, I need to know what's your opinion, why you choose political party to answer this question. Okay, anyone who want to share your opinion? Halo? Ya, tadi siapa yang ngejawab opini? Ngejawab opini. Ngejawab partai politik. Shiva jawab partai politik, Shiva? Shiva Kamal.
Bentar, Pak.
Oke.
Enggak jawab, Pak. Enggak jawab.
Enggak jawab. Tadi siapa ya? Tapi ini banyak nih. Pahim deh, Pahim. Halo, Pahim.
Iya Pak.
Nah, Pahim, please tell me your reason why most of you think that political party becomes the most dangerous aspect, yeah, that can make conflicts in Indonesia. Why? Pahim. Apa, Im?
Iya bentar Pak, ini bolak-balik mulu Pak pakai HP Pak. Bolak ke website ke Zoom, bentar Pak. Tentang apa Pak? Maaf Pak tadi Pak.
Why? What's your opinion? Why the political party become the most dangerous aspect, yeah, that can make the conflicts in Indonesia?
Yang masalah undang-undang tadi Pak.
Okay. Can you explain it? Halo, can you explain it?
Halo Pak, suara saya ada nggak Pak?
Ya, ada. Can you explain it?
Kok suara Beva pendek sih?
Suara saya jelas nggak?
Ngebak Pak, bentar Pak.
Ya, coba. Atau ada yang mau kasih saran? Ya, Fahim lama nih. Ada yang mau ngasih pendapatnya nggak? Kenapa parpol menjadi aspek yang menurut kalian paling bisa membuat konflik di Indonesia?
Karena orang-orangnya pada serakah, Pak.
Oke, kasih contoh dong.
Itu Pak bansos, Pak.
Bansos. Oke, thank you Abzal. How about the others? Yeah. Try to speak up ya. Try to explain your opinion. Yeah. Try to be brave as Ruby Bridges. Ya, yang lain? Oke. Pernah nggak ada konflik di Indonesia yang gara-gara parpol? Halo? Halo? Halo, Nak? Is there ever have it ever happened? Yeah. Have it ever happened the conflict? Yeah. It because of the differentiation political party. Halo? Ini ada nggak sih orangnya di kelas nih? Kok pada diam? Ayo. Jangan pada diam dong. Saya tanya dijawab. Ya, siapapun. Nah. Ayo. Ya Allah. Ya dong. Dew.
Iya, Pak.
Ya. In your opinion, is there ever happen the conflict between Indonesian people because of the differentiation of political party? Dewi, Kirana. Dew. Ayo, apa? Teman-temannya yang lain ya, silakan jawab. Is there ever conflict happen ya in Indonesia because of the differentiation of political party? Pernah nggak kejadian ada konflik di Indonesia gara-gara parpol, beda parpol? Dew.
Nggak tahu, Pak. Nggak ngerti hukum gini. Tadi aku juga nggak milih itu.
Oh. Fania. Ya, Nak.
Iya, Pak.
Ya, apa?
Saya sih nggak milih itu, Pak. Cuman kayaknya waktu itu sempat ada deh.
Apa tuh? Contoh. Tahun kapan? Kapan nih kejadian ada konflik gara-gara parpol? If you remember the election, ya, national election At that time, the person who wants to be a president is Mr. Jokowi and Mr. Prabowo, ya. 2000 berapa ya? 2014 ya.
2014 kalau nggak salah.
2014 and 2019. Yeah. At that time, almost people in Indonesia is divided into two groups. Yeah. Each group yell. Yeah. The group yell each other. Yeah. And then the first side tell to the another side like apa? Ada sebutannya? Apa istilahnya kalau dulu tuh? Kodok bukan kodok. Apa ya? Ingat nggak? 2014 2019. Bukan kodok apa sih? Saling nyindir. Kelompok Jokowi disebut apa namanya? Hewan.
Jokodok bukan Pak?
Apa?
Jokodok.
Kodok emang ya?
Jokodok kalau nggak salah, saya lupa juga.
Iya Pak, saya pernah dengar di
Terus
itu
yang
banyak.
lagi apa disebutnya? Saya kalau yeah, I mean the point is that the conflict ever happened in Indonesia because of the differentiation of political party for example in 2014 and 2019. Okay, good, thank you. Tadi saya cari lagi, lupa saya. And then the second aspect that you think, most of you think that it can make the conflicts is about race. Race, it means, in bahasa you can know it with ras. Oke, ras ya. Kenapa ini ras bisa jadi problem juga di Indonesia? Halo.
Itu balapan liar ya Pak?
Bukan, race di sini bukan balapan Bang, tapi ras. Race mean ras. Tahu ras?
Tahu.
Nah, kalau kita rasnya ras apa?
Ras ya.
Ras itu ada Caucasian, ada Negroid, ada ras apa lagi yang kalian tahu? Kalau Asia apa?
Mongoloid bukan Pak?
Mongoloid ya, Caucasoid, Negroid gitu ya. Itu ras maksudnya. Lebih ke bentuk tubuh. Kayak ciri-cirinya kan kalau Caucasian itu hidung mancung misalkan.
Kulit coklat Pak.
Gitu ya. Kalau Negroid kulit rambut keriting. Gitu kayak gitu-gitu, itu ras. Oke. Ya. And religion. Ini udah pasti nih ya. Agama itu jadi faktor penyebab konflik ya. Oke, and the last you think ideologi. Nah, ini saya kenapa nih? Kenapa kalian berpikir ideologi justru yang paling bawah? Ada yang bisa kasih pendapat? Why most of you think that ideology is the least dangerous aspect to make conflicts in Indonesia?
Karena menurut saya Pak, ideologi masyarakat Indonesia itu kayak udah satu gitu Pak dalam naungan Pancasila Pak. Kan Pancasila tuh kayak nampung semua ideologi pemimpin waktu itu kan Pancasila dirumusin apa ya. Nah itu berbagai macam ideologi itu satu di dalam Pancasila Pak. Jadi ya menurut saya ideologi bangsa Indonesia kayaknya udah mayoritas sama lah Pak. Jadi nggak terlalu pengaruh juga buat konflik gitu Pak. Mungkin.
Oke. Terus kenapa ada GAM? Kenapa ada OPM? Kenapa ada GAM? GAM, tahu GAM? Do you
Gam
know
itu apa?
Enggak.
gam?
Akan
Enggak tahu itu apa.
gam apaan?
Gam nggak tahu gam?
Enggak.
Apa
Tahu.
itu, Pak?
Enggak
Gerakan.
tahu.
Gerakan Aceh Merdeka. Right?
Nah, itu good, Kinara. Thank you. And then if you think that ideology is the least dangerous aspect, why does ever happen in Indonesia, like the organization ever exist in Indonesia like GAM, OPM, and then apa lagi? Kelompok Abu Sofyan terus apa lagi? JIL bukan ya? Yang teroris itu tuh. Coba, itu kenapa? It's almost because ideology. I mean, GAM want to make his own country, I mean, Aceh will be separated from Indonesia, and then make his own country with another ideology, dia pengen ngerubah ideologinya jadi Islam, gitu. Maksudnya pakai ideologi agama Islam, gitu ya, bukan Pancasila. About OPM juga Papua sama. Ya, justru menurut saya yang paling jarang ada konflik itu gara-gara apa coba? Menurut kalian deh, yang sampai berdarah-darah gitu misalkan, kira-kira apa? Yang hampir nggak pernah terjadi konflik? Partai politik pernah, ras iya, agama iya. Gara-gara bahasa atau aksen, pernah ada konflik?
Jarang lihat sih saya, Pak.
Jarang
Bukan
ya?
gara-gara bahasa, Pak.
Penampilan, oke lah penampilan nih ya. Oke. Tapi ya paling kelompok kecil aja ini. Tidak terlalu. Lifestyle, gaya hidup. Enggak juga ya. Gender nih, ini juga sama nih, banyak kasus khususnya buat perempuan. As physical abuse or slavery or the sexual abuse sexual victims for a woman sering banget terjadi, bahkan sampai sekarang mungkin masih ada human trafficking and so on. Culture enggak juga ya, jarang. Okay, next. In this slide, now please write your opinion. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. Now in this slide, write your opinion. Thank you, Pak. Write down as many as conflict that ever happened in Indonesia. Yeah. Marsha, Ananda, Indah, and the others. Yeah. Type your answer. Okay, type your answer. Write down as many as conflicts that ever happened in Indonesia. Coba diingat-ingat sejarah. Kita ini pernah terjadi konflik apa aja sih di kita? Silakan please. Yeah, open your browser screen and then type your answer on the browser screen, and then post it. Ya, belum ada yang jawab nih. Write down as many as conflict that ever happened in Indonesia. Kalau kalian pernah dengar ada konflik di Sampit, terus di Poso, terus di Nusa Tenggara. Afnan, good. Wow, mantap Afnan. Konflik antar suku di Sampit 2001, konflik antar agama di Ambon 1999, konflik antar etnis. Gimana nih etnisnya nih? Oh, di Jakarta ya. Yang parah 1998. Konflik golongan agama. Oke, good. Konflik antar golongan pemerintah agama. Tuh. Ya, oke, thank you Afnan. Good. Oke, how about the others? There are differences of opinion from various parties. Oke, thank you. Ini sama nih kayak Afnan nih, habis. Demo 998 KUHP GAM OPM Omnibus Law. Oke, Afzal. Syifa. Oke, konflik antar golongan agama. Oke. Coba diperdetail, lebih dijelaskan. Maksudnya tempatnya di mana, kejadiannya tahun berapa. Oke, Afnan. Halo Afnan. Nah,
Iya, Pak.
oke, Afnan. Afnan answer that there are some conflict that ever happened in Indonesia. The first one is about conflict with ethnic, ya. Conflict between ethnic in Sampit in 2001. Okay, Afnan, can you explain the chronological of this conflict? I mean, what kind of people that involved in this conflict?
Kronologinya gitu, Pak.
Yeah, the first answer, konflik antar suku. I mean, what organization or what kind of people that involved in the conflict in Sampit 2001?
Penyebab konflik ini diduga akibat adanya warga Dayak yang dibantai oleh warga Madura yang menetap di sana.
So, the conflict between Dayak and Madura, ya. Dayak and Madura in Sampit 2001. Okay, thank you. How about the second answer? The conflict in Ambon 1999. Which group that involved in this conflict? Afnan? Nan?
Yeah.
Okay. How about the second answer? Conflict in Ambon 1999. Which group that involved in the conflict?
Ada kayak ada agama di Ambon gitu, Pak.
Okay. The second conflict is because religion, ya. The religion aspect, ya. Perbedaan agama. Oke. Oke, selain Afnan deh. Ayo, Indah. Indah. For the third conflict of Afnan answer, ya. In 1998, conflict between ethnic, ya. Indah, do you know about the conflict that Afnan means?
Yang ketiga kan antar etnis.
Ya, ya.
Itu antara, tunggu Pak.
Yang dimaksud Afnan ini Indah paham kan? Tahu kan maksudnya? Konflik antar etnis ini?
Paham.
Okay. So, can you explain the conflict? I mean, which group that involved in the conflict?
Oke, bentar.
Yeah, in 1998, that ever happened conflict in Indonesia because of the differentiation of ethnic, ya.
Etnik Tionghoa bukan?
Yeah, good.
Khususnya di ibu kota Jakarta.
Yeah, good. Thank you. The victim, the victim of this conflict is our friends from Tionghoa, Chinese people and living in Indonesia. They at that time they became the victim of this conflict, ya. Oke, good. Thank you. Bahkan sampai sekarang mungkin masih ada aja yang ngomong Cina lu, nah kayak gitu. Itu termasuk loh, ya. Masih banyak orang-orang sekarang nih yang begitu. And then Najwa. Halo Najwa.
Ya, Pak.
Okay, Najwa. How about the fourth answer? Conflict because of religion in 2000.
Yang konflik golongan agama, Pak.
Yeah. Can you give me an example of this kind of conflict? Contohnya apa sih konflik golongan agama nih?
Maaf, Pak, suaranya yang terjadi gitu bukan sih, Pak?
Ya, contohnya apa, Nak? Konflik yang gara-gara golongan agama nih, contohnya kayak gimana?
Maaf, Pak, bentar di sini putus-putus suaranya.
Oke, nanti saya bawain solatif ke rumah ya. Oke, yang lain dulu deh. Aul Rahma, Aulia. Halo. Aulia. Aulia Rahma. Aul. Oke, nggak nyambung nih. Salwa. Halo Salwa. Salwa, Nak. Kenapa pada nggak respon sih? Ada orangnya nggak sih ini di Zoom meeting nih? Halo. Jangan ditinggal tidur. Ditanya respon dong.
Iya, Pak.
Oke. Nah, oke. Ananda Maulana Yusuf, G13 PKI 1965. Corruption Bansos 2021, Omnibus Law 2020. Oke. Nah, Indah konflik dengan masyarakat adat sampai sekarang masih terjadian ya. Sampai sekarang masih kejadian. Oke, ini terlalu umum nih, konflik antar golongan agama, maksudnya coba diperjelas. Golongan agama yang maksud apa, kejadiannya di mana, tahun berapa. Sama, konflik antar etnis juga terlalu umum. Oke, Rajasa, thank you. PKI, OPM, GAM, PRMS, POSO, cakep nih. And then, perusahaan aja, oke. Bukan terpilihnya kembali, tapi mundurnya Soeharto, ya. Kerusuhan 98 itu karena Soeharto didesak mundur oleh mahasiswa. Oke, thank you. Reformasi golongan oleh Poso. Oke. Sampit ya, terkenal ya. Sampai kepala manusia itu ditendang-tendang, pisah sama badan. Banyak yang ya, banyak kepala-kepala yang berterbangan lah. Nah, ini dia peristiwa Semanggi. Good, thank you Soraya. Belum ada yang menjawab ini ya, thank you. Lampung Selatan, ini cakep. Thank you Arofa. Intan. Ahmadiyah NCA, good. Nah gitu, jadi diperjelas nih. Ya, Ahmadiyah NCA around 2000 in Indonesia, and then Kinara May 1998 Riyadh of Indonesia, GAM. Good. RMS Republik Maluku Selatan apa Serikat ya? Republik Maluku Serikat kayaknya. Oke, Cipta Kerja. Oke. Good. Yeah, I mean, what your answer? Yeah, all of your answers are the conflict that ever happened in Indonesia. Yeah, you know that the conflict between Dayak and Madura in Sampit 2001, and then May 1996, May 1998, yeah, the riots in Jakarta, yeah, it's about the inequality, inequality between the local citizen and the newcomer, yeah. It means Tionghoa ethnic, yeah. The local thinks that the Tionghoa is not cannot be cooperate with the local. I mean, they think maybe it's more than the local are jealous, yeah, jealous why the Tionghoa became more success than the local, ya. Orang Tionghoa lebih sukses, punya toko, punya di mana-mana gitu ya, usaha. Oke. Next slide. Now, in this slide, please reply or type your answer. Yeah, what we have to do to decrease the conflict. In the previous slide, you have mentioned, you have write down as many as conflict that ever happened in Indonesia. And now, what's your hope to make Indonesia become better for the future? Yeah, what we have to do to decrease the conflict between our people. Yeah, so please type your answer and then post it. What is your hope for the better Indonesia in the future? Okay, go on now. It should have 36 answer in this slide. Ayo, silakan dijawab. What is your hope for the better Indonesia in the future? What do we have to do to decrease the conflict? Ayo, silakan ketik jawabannya. April, Acung, Afzal, Maul, Arofa, Aulia, Dewi, Fahmi, Indah, Intan, Kinara, Yana. Ayo, dong. Oke, Rajasa. Bukan itu, nah bukan. Tapi
Apa itu salah pencet.
fokus ya.
Belum selesai.
Oke.
Kasih Pak.
Ini adalah kayak harapanmu untuk Indonesia yang lebih baik ke depannya. Kira-kira menurutmu apa yang harus kita lakukan dari sekarang untuk mengurangi konflik antar warga kita nih? Tadi kan kamu sudah banyak menyebutkan konflik-konflik tuh karena perbedaan agama kah, perbedaan parpol kah, perbedaan ras kah. I have in a nation respect each other's opinion. Oke, good. Thank you, Arofa. Nah, kayak gini nih, mantap. How about the others? Ayo. Fania, think more critically in deciding problem. Have empathy and embrace each other. Oke, thank you, Fania. Afnan, mutual tolerance to anyone and respect for people's choices. Oke, thank you, Afnan. Shiva, should be discussed carefully. Oke, mungkin maksudnya utamakan musyawarah gitu ya. Utamakan dulu diskusi. Jangan langsung pakai kalau kita kan sedikit-sedikit bakar misal. Ya, oke. Yo, please write down your hope, write down your dreams to make Indonesia better in the future. Thank you, Lutfi. Cakep nih. Anda siapa mau bikin sosialisasi? Coba sebagai peranmu sebagai siswa gitu. Kamu sebagai siswa apa bisa buat sosialisasi? Enggak kan? Coba Fahim. Dirubah. Oke, Iko. More respect for others, value of your opinions. Oke, thank you, Ko. Hafiz. If there is a conflict, it would be better to have a cool-headed conflict, not to insult or may argue, but still have to attitude behavior that's worth showing to many people. Okay. What we have to do to avoid conflict is to respect the differences that exist in Indonesia. I hope that in Indonesia there will be no more conflict caused by differences because they can destroy our country. Nah, good. Thank you, Indah. Joe, we must always respect and respect. We must always respect and respect. Maksudnya gimana? We must always respect each other gitu ya. We must always respect each other from race, religion, and culture and do not discriminate. Okay, thank you, Joe. Anan, Maulana, we should do collaborate with each other to help it and we should have well interaction and relationship. Thank you, Anan. Rajasa, better understand the ideology of Pancasila and foster mutual respect. Okay. More accepting of differences and respect. It's better to hold back anger and or emotions when solving problems, namely with a cool head and focus on the problem that you want to solve. Okay, thank you, Neprit. Owl, resolve with a cool head, discuss and give each other opinions. Focus on conflict. Fokus on solution ya. Kalau fokus ke konfliknya ribut malah. Fokus on the solution ya. Oke lah, nggak apa-apa. I will, thank you. I hope the government can accept the people aspiration and keep its promises to the people. Oke. Abdul ngirim lagi nih. Oh sama. Meisa, we have to do it together or have a discussion before making a decision. Good, thank you. Dewi, I hope Indonesia can respect each other and respect each other cultures. Tidak efektif nih, diulang-ulang nih. Oke lah. We must always respect race and religion and not be racist. Oke, Ragil, thank you. I have the government. Oke, udah tadi ya. Should be using a cool head to conduct the discussion. Oke, Intan, RK, thank you. Soraya, mutual respect and appreciation between ethnic group and religion. Okay, thank you, Soraya. Accept and listen to the opinions of others. Thank you, Marsha. More respect for other, respect other. Maksudnya gimana sih? More respect for others, respect other people. Oh, gitu ya. Kasih koma apa? Kasih koma titik ke, ya. More respect for others, respect other people's opinion and accept agreements. Okay, Acung, thank you. I hope that Indonesia can resolve the conflict problem by deliberation and consensus. Okay, bolehlah. Even though Bhinneka Tunggal Ika is our motto, it doesn't always reflect on the action of Indonesia citizens. Hence why we should start educating our citizens about racial matters and start reflecting on ourselves. Okay, thank you, Kinara. Accept opinions or opinions from other political parties. If you want to refuse, reject them in a polite way and accompany by the right reasons. Okay. Good. Ya. Ada lagi? Udah. Udah semua nih? Yeah, I mean, if thank you for your opinion, yeah. If you as a teenager of our country think have an opinion like this, yeah, I do believe that Indonesia will be better in the future. Yeah. If you have, if you just follow the situation that ever happened in Indonesia nowadays, yeah, I think it will be difficult to change Indonesia in the future. So you are the teenagers, you have the, you will be more powerful, yeah, in the future. So starting from today, learning more, yeah, study more, and then try to practice your critical thinking, read more, yeah, and then respect more, yeah, study hard, yeah, study more, read more, and respect more, ya. Kalau kalian ya ngikutin yang udah ada sekarang, ya nggak akan berubah Indonesia ini. Gitu. Jadi kalian sebagai penerus negara, hal-hal yang menurut kalian tidak suka silahkan gitu. Kalian kritik berpikir kritis, ya, sampaikan gitu. Jadi kalau tidak dibiarkan begitu aja, ya gitu-gitu aja terus. Okay, good. Respect each other and not be racist. Thank you, Safa. Okay, next to the last slide. Okay. Now, please complete the sentences to indicate what you felt and learned during today's activity, as well as what you will do moving forward. What do you feel? What do you learn? Okay, nah, I'm so sorry because the connection, yeah, was lost. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, I can, sir.
Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry because there was a lost connection. Yeah. 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 Before we, I think the learning material for today is enough. Yeah. But before we stop or we close the meeting, is there any opinion? Is there any question? Hello.
Enggak, Pak.
Enggak, aman, oke. Elsa sudah hadir? Belum?
Sudah, Pak. Tadi HP saya nge-lag, Pak.
Oh, nanti selain nge-like, komen juga ya. Nge-like, komen, and subscribe. Terus kalau Gulam? Gulam? Kok Gulam mana kok?
Di Zoom nggak ada, Pak. Coba saya WA lagi, Pak.
Oke, ya udah nggak apa-apa kok. Udah ya. If there is no question, yeah, I think it's enough for today. I'm so sorry for the mistaken, yeah. I'm so sorry for the problem, technical problem, the lost connection. We will see on your next meeting. Maybe we will have some quizzes, yeah, on next meeting about biology. And thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye bye. Waalaikumsalam, Pak.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Selamat.
Waalaikumsalam.